dual wielder.
You four go blue.
Okay.
You four go red.
Finally, I get to play with you, Brad.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know it's Brad's. That's why it has a dual sector here.
It's not that special. Oh, 4, baby.
But that gun's unique, though.
Probably gonna get a good game.
Yes.
This is like a spider.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
Alright, so we're gonna play King of the Hill.
Yeah. Which kind?
The one with the ball.
Oh,
The one with the balls? Okay.
Except we're gonna use the really crappy one. It's more fun.
Oh no.
Alright, so the way King of the Hill works is in order to capture it, you gotta run up and put your color ball on top of the cone.
You can shoot it off.
Yes, you can shoot it off. The capture time though is only, let's see, 20 seconds. It
20
only
seconds.
takes one BB to knock it off, so.
Here's gonna try that.
There it goes. Alright, I'll do 30
Can't
seconds.
even hit it.
Alright, 30 seconds. Yeah, enemy respawn will be spawning from behind the buildings. Red team going to be by the emergency exit. Blue team in the office. I'm going to respawn. Any questions?
No, sir.
Alright. Respawn.
It doesn't fit in my holster anymore.
Oh, well. It'd be
Yeah.
cool if the field went back up into there. That'd be really cool.
What, back
Yeah,
there?
that, yeah. Wait, where did they go?
I don't know. Where's the rest of our team? I think they're in the wrong spot. All right, there they are.
Where are you going to push up to?
To the hill.
Well, okay, I'm going to push over left and try to be on that corner and shoot across, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, red team, are you ready? Alright. The hill is 3, 2, 1, go! Blue team has the hill, 30 seconds until blue team victory.
Oh, sorry, Johnny.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ceasefire. Ceasefire, that's game over.
Yay.
Wins, good job.
All right, switch sides. Let's go.
Swap sides. Alright, just gonna do it real quick.
I won the game single-handedly.
Hey, I covered you.
No, you did a good job.
Okay, I got yellow guy and Johnny 2 times.
Wow, Johnny died a lot then.
Should I try to get in that building?
That's what I did. I went and captured the hill and then got in their building.
Well, you go get the hill, I'll capture the hill, okay?
Okay.
Yep.
Red team, are you ready?
You doing the right? I'm gonna go through the middle.
Alright,
I'll set.
Hit! Johnny got me, guys! Johnny might be on the hill.
Ten seconds until blue team victory.
Come on, Red.
ceasefire.
Did we camp their spawn? That's not cool.
Get on that side, push on, get on this side.
I'm gonna go for the hill.
Are you ready now?
If you want to get over there and shoot them.
Well, why not?
We're ready.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Were you talking to us?
Time in 3, 2, 1, go! Blue team has the hill. 1 minute until blue team victory. Blue team lost the hill.
Oh, hit. Oh, oh my God.
Red team has the hill. Red team lost the hill.
Hit. There's one on the car on the left.
I'm not running at him, I'm running at him.
Yeah. That's the main problem with that.
That's just unnecessary.
On the left.
On the right, too.
Hey, you're shooting into our spawn.
Gotta let him up.
Hit. You're shooting me in my spawn again.
At the next capture, the capture time will be 30 seconds. Blue team has the hill. 30 seconds until blue team victory. Blue team lost the hill.
Come on.
Blue team has the hill. 30 seconds until blue team victory. has the hill. 30 seconds until red team victory.
Hit.
Red team lost the hill. Red team has the hill. 30 seconds until red team victory. 15 seconds.
Okay. I guess I didn't get him.
5, 4, red team lost the hill.
Come on, I just got the hill. Or I just...
Blue team has the hill. Blue team lost the hill. Red team has the hill. Good team. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ceasefire! Ceasefire, that's game over. Red team wins. Good job, red team. All right.
Which way you going, Brad?
I'm gonna go this way. I haven't even been in that building yet.
It's actually it has really good angles.
I'll lay down suppressive fire for you.
Okay.
You got left?
Yeah.
Or somewhere around there?
Yeah, I'll catch
Blue
I'll
team,
sit
are you ready?
They're gonna be
I'm gonna lay down,
coming.
dude. I'm gonna lay down suppressive fire big time.
Okay.
Now, red team, are you ready? Red bands, are you ready?
Oh boy.
Blue team, are you ready?
Yeah!
All right.
I'm gonna hit this
Blue
truck
team,
now.
on it. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go.
I'm hit. Chase, you overshot me.
I did?
Yeah. My ass really hurts. It's not funny. Hit. They're all down. Blue. Blue. Hit. Ouch. Right in the knee. Blue. Blue.
In that building.
I shot your backpack first.
It did go to the backpack.
All right. If you do not have a blue headband on,
Oh, here.
shoot the ground now.
Blue.
If you do not have a blue headband, shoot the ground now. All right, blue team wins. Good job, blue team.
Going back in the game, you just give a high five, tap on the shoulder,
What?
something like that. Any questions?
I don't know.
Blue team
Okay,
red team
head.
starting down in that building. Red team up by the green
Yeah,
screen.
you're good. Okay. I'm a medic.
My bad.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sounds fine to me.
No, it's bad. It's
Oh yeah, it's almost dead. You should probably go get a different one.
yeah.
You run my clothes in it?
No, I'm running like this. Cause my mom doesn't like my clothes. Where are you going?
Well, I mean, they could catch fire. So.
Yeah.
Around.
Around where?
Going somewhere on the field.
Okay, good enough.
Where are you going?
All
You
right.
doing the same thing? You gonna go somewhere on the field too?
Yeah, I'll just come with you, I guess.
Okay. Well, I'm the medic, so why don't you go first and I'll come with you?
Wait, are you going right first?
I don't know.
Yes.
I, well, I
Yeah.
Team, are you
don't know
ready?
where you're going?
I'm waiting for you to go, and then I'm gonna go somewhere. That's what I'm gonna do.
Two responses.
Tell me when to go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. All right. Behind the truck on the left, or the car. Front of this building. All right, he's down.
Over here. Down.
I see him. Aww. What are my respawns? Oh, okay. Well, I have plenty of respawns then. There's one on the left side of the middle building on their side. He's right behind you. There's this cardboard thing. I can't go that way anymore. I mean, I can. All those BBs hit the wall. I'm okay. Where's Chase?
I'm here.
What are you doing?
I'm making sure Johnny doesn't come this way.
You're not really helping anybody.
Okay, I'll help now. I'm gonna hit a jump shot.
Shoot Johnny. He's
Is he like on the left?
he's in the middle.
Like behind the cover?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit a jump shot. Ready?
Wait, where'd he go?
I don't know. Want me to move to this corner? You good?
In here? Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Watch behind the tires. You guys good? Anything behind the tires? Okay, we're good. He's giggling. Oh, that's you. You guys all up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think they're all over there.
I just saw somebody run. Hey, remind that guy to aim. He almost shot you. One by the TV.
Hit. Ah, hit.
Oh, right. Their medic's respawning. Make sure that he can respawn. Over there! Over there! In the left corner! Ah, hit! Alright, last one. Chase, are you still alive? Oh, there you are.
If you're a live blue player, shoot the ground now.
Did you hurt him?
Game over. Red team wins. Good job.
What keg? Wait,
Or the box.
where is the keg? I'll go put my hand on
I
it.
don't know where the
I'm gonna count to 5.
Okie doke.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go! Keep me on! Put it down! Out!
Oh. Running and you can only see them for a second at a time.
What if you guys could get this in there?
I don't know, man. What if? Yeah.
Behind the building too?
Yeah, they're behind the other building. Watch out, Chase. Be careful. Hit. Chase, where are you? Sorry. Are you alive? Yeah. Did he get you? No. Okay. There's one by the truck. Dustin's respawning.
I think Dustin's deep.
Oh, man. Where are you? Oh, hit. Ah! Ah! Chase, be careful. He's coming around the corner. There's one over here. He's got the sword. There's one by the green car. There's two by the green screen. Are you? Get him. Go get him. Get him. Get him. Oh, that wasn't cool. That wasn't cool.
I don't think Dustin should be out for the sack down. For that specific reason, that was a lot of fun, quite literally. Dustin, you feel like you play. No, I don't.
Chase. The other guy's in the spawn, reloading. If you could get him. Yeah, he's right around the corner. I'll distract him. Oh, crap. Out of ammo. What happened? Are you both dead? Is one dead?
Nah, cool, okay. I'm sitting on the table to decide.
I got him.
Thank you.
We won.
Game over. Game over. Oh man.
Actually, I won.
Roger's